Hi everyone, welcome back to Libre Computers, where learning is fun. In the previous videos, we have learned the basic structure of HTML4 and the use of different formatting tags. In today's session, we are going to start with HTML5. We will learn about the structure of HTML5 div tag and see how to place multiple div tags, one below another, one inside another, and side by side. Open Notepad++ software in order to type the code. A basic HTML page always starts with the document type declaration. That is a way to tell the browsers what type of document it is. The doc type is always the first item at the top of any HTML file. Then sections and subsections come, each possibly has its heading and subheading. The HTML tag follows the doc type information, which is used to inform the browser that this is the HTML document. The next part is the head section. The head tag contains metadata, that is, document title, character set, styles, links, scripts, etc. Specific information about the web page that is not displayed to the user. The meta tag is used to specify the metadata to provide browsers and search engines with technical information about the web page. For example, if you want to specify the author of your document, you may use the meta tag. To define the character encoding for the document, you need to set the chset attribute with the UTF-8 value. In nearly all cases, UTF-8 is the default character encoding for HTML5. Use the title tag to define the title of your document. The body section of a document contains the content of the document. The content may be presented by a user agent in different ways. For example, the content can be text, images, links, colors, graphics, etc. Next we will start with div tag. Div tags defines a division or a section in the HTML document. They are often used as a container for other HTML elements, to style them with CSS, or to perform certain tasks with JavaScript. Save this file with HTML extension and open it on the browser. In this example, let us see how a simple div looks on the browser. As you can see here, there is no specific dimension to tell where a div starts and where it ends. To specify this, we will see the use of CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheet, which is used in HTML document to apply styling, such as text color, background color, border color, etc. The attribute we use to specify CSS is style. It is mentioned in the opening tag of div. In this example, first we will see how to apply text color to the div. Here we have changed the text color to blue. Next, we will change the font style to Calibri. For that, the CSS property we use is font family. If you use wrong font name, then the styling won't be applied. We will also change the background color of the div to gray. This is how the output will look. Now, as the div is a container tag, we will require to change the width and the height of it. This is how it is done. Here, the measurement on the screen is given in terms of px, which stands for pixel. The width and the height property of CSS allows you to set the required dimensions. Refresh the page and see the change. To place two divs, one below another, you have to simply type another div after the closing tag of the first div. I am simply changing the formatting of the first div to understand the difference. Open the file on the browser. This shows you a gray and a pink div placed one below another. To get some space between both the divs, we will use another CSS property called margin, which is used to give space between the objects from all the four sides. Margin has four types, that is, left, right, top and bottom. As you can see, this property has put some space between both the divs. Next, to place a div inside another div, you have to just mention one more div inside the existing, as shown here. Make sure that the div, which is placed inside, has width and height smaller than the outer div. I am again specifying left and top margin, so that both div borders does not start from the same point. Check the output. It is always better to check output after every change in the code. This makes sure that you are getting the result that you are expecting. At the end, let's see how to place two divs side by side. To do this, we place the divs just the way we did while placing these one below another. Only change over here is, in order to get the second div next to the first, we use another CSS property called float left. With this, we will end today's lesson. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.